The Barbershop Collection, the finest in eco-friendly and eco-luxurious men's underwear. Mother Nature has done it again. Men's underwear made from sustainable fabrics such as bamboo, soybean, hemp, and yes, even eucalyptus. Men's boxers, boxer briefs, t-shirts, all made from a process that begins with photosynthesis. But there's much more. The plant delivers its treasures in the form of cellulose, cellulose onto fiber, fiber onto eco-luxurious textiles that promise to ignite an unprecedented apparel experience. All of the Barbershop Collection hang tags and packaging are made from recycled materials. Help us launch the Barbershop Collection, the finest in eco-friendly and eco-luxurious men's underwear.